The federal government filed a lawsuit against Illinois and the city of Chicago over their sanctuary status. Our Sabrina Franz has been looking into this all day. And Sabrina, what does that mean for Chicago's status as a sanctuary city?
Hi, Marie. The United States government will have to prove that Chicago and the state of Illinois somehow passed legislation that inhibited immigration enforcement in the state and city. Local leaders say they've never broken federal law in their decision to not cooperate with ICE.
The United States of America versus the state of Illinois, city of Chicago, and its leaders. This lawsuit filed alleges local laws like the Illinois Trust Act or Chicago's Welcoming City Ordinance violate the importance of enforcing our nation's immigration laws and looks to put an end to the long-standing idea that Chicago is a sanctuary city and Illinois is a sanctuary state.
I will support the Constitution of the
That idea goes all the way back to 1985, when then Mayor Harold Washington signed an executive order stating that residents of the city of Chicago, regardless of their citizenship, should have access to the same opportunities and benefits as anyone else. That sentiment was reinforced by former Mayor Lori Lightfoot during her term, and especially during President Trump's first 4 years in office.
Chicago Police Department will not cooperate with ICE on any immigration-related business, and that's affected their ability to conduct immigration raids across the city. But that's exactly our intention.
Governor J.B. Pritzker reacting to the suit, saying, quote, "Unlike Donald Trump, Illinois follows the law. The bipartisan Illinois Trust Act, signed into law by a Republican governor, has always been compliant with federal law and still is today. Illinois will defend our laws that prioritize police resources for fighting crime while enabling state law enforcement to assist with arresting violent criminals." One former Chicago police superintendent says the sanctuary laws do inhibit police from finding criminals.
I think that there's enough checks and balances on the police these days that we don't have to tell them you can't go and cooperate with another law enforcement agency.
The Cook County Sheriff's Office was also mentioned in that lawsuit. They echoed the state in saying they do assist federal agents in cases where there is an arrest warrant. The mayor's office told us the lawsuit is currently under review by their legal department. In the newsroom, Sabrina Franza, CBS News, Chicago.
Sabrina, thank you.